Barrie's controversial planned boundary changes continue to be in the spotlight at Springwater Council, but last night, although it seemed a decision would be made, it wasn't. CTV's Jack Morris explains.
Please do this so we don't have to, so that we don't have to. Councillor Alexander, when I was...
That was the moment after Councillor Danielle Alexander asked Mayor Jennifer Coughlin if she planned to use her strong mayor powers to force the township to accept Barrie's boundary changes.
That is not what I said.
Correct. You said use the strong mayor powers anyway.
No.
No, she did.
If you are going to use your strong mayor's powers, I would prefer to know now, because at that point, this discussion at this table is moot. It's moot. It doesn't matter.
Springwater already have 5 legal opinions, one suggesting strong mayor powers might not apply in this case. They are split on which decision could open the township to a possible lawsuit. The contentious meeting ended in a split 4-3 vote, but not to accept or reject Barrie's boundary plan, instead to refer the matter to a judge for another legal opinion on the decision.
It is my fear that the province absolutely will look to this as a non-decision, and the decision will be made for us.
Barrie has offered what it calls fair compensation for the land transfer, but says if the province has to get involved, that will go away. The province has so far been in support of the boundary change. At least one person is happy with the delay.
I think council wants to make sure that they're making the right decision, and they feel that they don't have what they need in order to do that properly. And that's important.
At the same time that was going on, dozens were at a public meeting in Oro-Medonte having their say, much less contentious, some in favor but most against.
I'm totally opposed to City of Barrie annexing any other municipality.
It's an absolute travesty, and what the City of Barrie is trying to do to this lovely green township.
It's a real natural reserve, and I want to keep it that way.
Now, Oro-Medonte Council is going to vote on Wednesday whether or not to accept Barrie's boundary plan. For Springwater, on the other hand, they're expected to meet sometime next week, and if that judicial review comes through, make a decision on how to move forward from there. Reporting live, I'm Jack Morse. Sarah, back to you.